Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. It is Thursday, July the 30th. Oh my gosh, we're almost in August. And we have another cheap toilet paper deal if you can swing this. Now, this is kind of a different one because there's a couple moving parts and you really must pay attention to have the most amount of success, like any Home Depot deal. So, if you are near a Home Depot and you live in a larger city, I would definitely pop in, look in the regular aisle for this toilet paper, or alternatively, the clearance section. And again, we're at specifically the Home Depot. So, this large 18 counter of the HDX, which is the Home Depot brand, it's their Mega Plus rolls. So, 18 rolls equals 82. I would really like to look at those rolls. It's not the soft, it's only ultra strong, which is the red one. It's on clearance. The original price was $19.99 and it's down to $3. So I'm assuming that this is in large markets only because I can't find this in stock anywhere locally near me, or unless it's sold out and the employees, one for me, two for you, that sort of a thing where it's completely gone. I would again look regular shelves, the sky shelves, which are the tippy top, or possibly the clearance aisle. That's the three places you might have the most amount of luck. You can go to the store with the code I'm going to provide for you and ask the employees to look it up for you as well. They might have some in the back. You never know, especially if they can look up the price for you too. And then possibly this could be a deal, especially if you can get them for $3. And I think they're just clearing this out. A lot of stores are doing this right now with toilet paper, paper towel. I really hope they don't shrinkflate everything where it's going to be so much more money, because kind of the writing on the wall with that. It seems like that's the move for a lot of things this week. But it is this weird HDX toilet paper, which is the Home Depot brand. And I certainly am running around and doing toilet paper deals myself. It just feels like right now, this is one smart item to stock up on. With the no end in sight of gas and grocery prices, I just think that this is one thing that if you could get it for $3, it's smart. So this is not the Dollar General, so you don't need a UPC. There is the internet number, the model number, the SKU in this store. So you would just need probably one of those numbers to bring to customer service if you can't find it and ask for a little bit of assistance. And of course, they're always happy to help. Hopefully you have a really nice store, and you might get really lucky. And if they have a couple in the back, like heck, even if it was like $5-6, I would buy it for an 18 counter as well, because I'm really trying to build a little stockpile of paper. So if something hits the fan, I'm actually covered. All that being said, I know a lot of you are really smart and you're preppers as well. So I would definitely stock up on this any way that we can get really cheap paper. We were doing it for $5 at the Dollar General when there was that little thing on Monday and Tuesday with the large 32 counters. But if you can make this happen, if you're driving by and you're not shy to ask for a little bit of help, or just look in the clearance regular shelves or sky shelves, you might score. Before I take off into the big sunset, the Dollar General will be hosting a clearance event starting on Friday, July the 31st, going right to the following Thursday, which is August the 6th. I have a video with very easy matchups. You might want to check it out. And to answer a quick question, if you live in an area that doesn't have a huge population, a little bit more rural, you're going to be able to find some stuff, because the last two that they've had, they have this every single month. I only suspect they're doing this along with the 10 off 40 and a 5 off 25 all week long. Family Dollar, Dollar General are doing it. A lot of stores are running promotions around the clock to drum up more business. You can figure out probably why. With this one specifically, when you can pair digital coupons with clearance stuff at 50% off, that excites me when you can get like 3 tubes of toothpaste for 40 cents. I will link the video at the very end. You might want to check it out. I will definitely be at the Dollar General on Friday looking for some deals. And I think a lot of people have Dollar General clearance event fatigue. So if you have a little bit of, fuel and drive in the tank, go and check it out. It might be worth your time, especially when you can get really cheap or free items. Why not? That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.